Hello everyone, so today we are going to create sand disintegration effect. So let's open Photoshop. So I took this subject image from Google. Let's remove background of this image. Let's rasterize this layer. Now I will bring this subject layer in our original layer. Adjust the size. I will flip this. Now let's create a background for this. I'll take a gradient. Let's edit this gradient. Take back a shade of this. The other side, let's take a lighter shade skin. Okay, let's change the style to radial. Give us the gradient and let's increase the scale. Okay. And let's reduce darkness of this gradient. Yeah, this looks fine. And let's take a copy of this layer. It's layer outline. Let's rename it main subject. This main subject copy. Add the main subject. Select the main subject copy layer and go to filter and go to liquify. Now using the forward grab tool, stretch the edges. Let's increase the brush size. Let's increase the size. Decrease the brush size, and if you see gaps anywhere, try to fill those gaps. You can check the preview and click on OK button. Now select the main subject copy layers and create a mask. Press Ctrl+I on the keyboard to invert the mask. Now enable the below layer. Create a mask. Select the brush tool and select brush particles too. Particle brush. You can download this brush from Google. Select any brush. We have a number of brushes available here. So you can select any of this. I'm selecting this brush. And let's erase the border area. You can use different types of brushes. So now select main subject copy layer, and in the similar way select the brush tool, select an input brush, change the background and foreground color. Start applying. As you can see, we are getting white points here. So select this layer, go to image, adjustment, and reduce the brightness. Now let's create a layer above the gradient layer. Select brush tool. Select the forward brush. You can select any brush. I'll go with the first brush. Let's reduce the opacity to 30%. Some near the fading area, use this brush. Also create one more layer. Select the brush tool, select particle brush, select eyedropper tool and select dark brown color. This opacity. Also select this tool on this mask, and by using soft brush, you can erase this. Reduce the flow. And make it look like fading. Now soft brush, you can also use particle brush. Yeah. Reduce the opacity. You can add extra elements here to enhance your